Welcome to Cyber Saturdays, where we are bringing you innovative IT solutions to help you be cyber smart. These are simple actions that we can take to keep our internet lives safe and secure. Spring is a great time to not only clean up your home, but to also clean up your digital spaces. So here are a few tasks for this weekend. First, update your passwords. It's important to update your passwords regularly, and then update your systems and software to maximize protection against cyber criminals. Make sure your devices, your apps, your web browsers all have the latest security software or operating system updates installed. Better yet, just go ahead and turn on automatic updates. And back up your important files. Look, losing important documents, photos, and sensitive records is an absolute nightmare. Now is a good time to set automatic backups and save all of your important data to an external hard drive or a cloud-based storage system to help ensure that you're able to recover if your system dies. So I'll see you next week. Stay safe and get those spring cleaning tasks completed as soon as possible and be cyber smart. Bye-bye.